how to download and install Google Gemini AI app on your Windows PC. So looking right here is my browser on my PC. So the first step you need to take is to go to your browser. You can actually go to your Firefox, your Chrome, depending on the one that you're actually using. So go to your browser like this. Then the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and search for Google Gemini like this. Go ahead and search for Google Gemini. So once you search for Google Gemini like this is what you're going to see on your screen. So right here you can see Google Gemini right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on it like this. So once you click on a link like this, it is going to direct you to the web version. Looking right here, you can see that we are on the web version of the Google Gemini AI app. So looking right here at the top right corner of your screen, right here on this browser, you can see the three-line icon right there. In order for you to download and install the Google Gemini to your app, you simply need to go ahead and click on the three-line icon right there. So once you click on that, you just need to scroll down a little bit, just like this. Just scroll down a little bit. Looking here, you can see where it says here cast, save and share. You can see that option. So you just tap on it and it is going to expand. So looking right here on the expanded section, you can see install page as app. You can see that option right here. So you just need to go ahead and click on it like this. Now looking here, you can see the option of install. So you can now go ahead and click on install like this. So once you do that, it is going to be installed on your PC. So once it is done installing, you would now be able to use the app version on your PC. So this is it. You can now explore and use the app version on your PC without going to your browser to use the Google Gemini. So this is how simple it is for you to download and install Google Gemini AI app on your Windows PC or laptop. Hope you found this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. See you in the next one.